Hi, I'm Beth Wright, and I had the privilege of serving as District 14 Governor in the early 90s, back when I was about 12, I think. It's so hard to believe that's been almost a quarter of a century ago. Many times it just seems like last week or last year. I learned so much during the years that I was privileged to get to serve this district as a leader. Lessons that still serve me well today, including things like we learn best during times of enjoyment. We inspect what we expect. And they don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. I learned so much from leaders I served with: Jim Dawson, Phil Viviani, Laura Moore, David Caraway, Ann Henderson, folks I still consider lifelong friends today. I want to congratulate you on the accomplishments you've made individually and corporately as a district. Congratulations and best wishes on your next steps. Thanks for inviting me here. I hope to see you again in the near future.